Hello everyone, my name is Namita Sri Handini. So today I'm going to present my analysis that related with semantic with the title Semantics Analysis of Hyponym of the Narrative Text with the title The Slippers of Buffalo Skin in the Interlanguage Science and Social by Joko Prihana PhD, Triyani Retnoputri, and Saridewi Yulianti Rahayu in 2006. So um, the first part I'm going to present about the first part. Okay, I'm divided in 6 parts. The first one is introduction. The second one is literature review. The third one is research methods. The fourth one is findings. The fifth one is discussions. And the sixth one is conclusions. So this is the first one is about introduction. So if a language lacks meaning, it cannot be classified as a language, even if a language meaning is imprecise and confusing. There will undoubtedly be misunderstandings in understanding and communicating. The study of meaning in a language is known as semantics. Semantics are the literal meaning of words in a language. Lexical relations are components of semantics that are connected. So, um, there are subchapters in this lexical connection that lead to the meaning. Subchapters in the semantic lexical include antonym, synonym, metonym, taxonomy, and hyponymy, because the 5 subchapters share some qualities and some similarities. It can be difficult to tell them apart. The choice of hyponym as a topic will be examined further in this study. So, a lexical component whose meaning is tied to the hierarchy held is known as a hyponym. This sample is based in the narrative story with the title The Slippers of Buffalo Skin. So researcher chose this narrative text because this is one of the best story that has a good moral value in it. So the next one, I will explain more about the literature review. So semantics, according to Reimer in 2010, is the science of true meaning. If it is not included in language, it is an oral or written form that must have significance. So in order to communicate, meaning is critical, and semantics is one discipline of linguistics that investigates meaning. To put it in another way, semantics is the study of true meaning, meaning that is unaffected by context. Even in diverse contexts or conditions, the meaning will remain consistent. The goal of semantic research is to comprehend meaning objectively rather than subjectively. Okay, the second one is from according to Yule in 2010. Semantics have a simplified understanding of pragmatic, which is conveying broad information about words, phrases, or sentences that have been known and used in common language. So semantic meaning can be understood in 2 ways. The first one is conceptual and associative. Comprehending the meaning of the components communicated by a word is similar to understanding the meaning of conceptual meaning as defined in a dictionary. The associative meaning then has a relationship with the connotative meaning of an object or word, where each individual's perspective may differ. So, the next one is about research methods. So in this study, descriptive qualitative methods were used to focus on each word in this data, with the target of study being the type of eponym found in the narrative story with the title The Slippers of Buffalo Skin. This study relied on Rimmer's 2010 theory, which has backed up by numerous other journals. To get the data, contents of eponym data was collected, observed, and sorted. Non-participatory data collection is another way that is used. The findings of the study will be provided in the form of words or sentences with informal means of presenting the analysis findings. So the next one, we're going to more explain about findings. So the results of the investigation revealed various categories of eponym, including family, animals, things, person or people, time, place, gender, and bodily parts. So as a result, all the results retrieved are 34 data or words which a hierarchy with eponym. So There are three words that hyponym with family, such as husband, wife, and spouse. I will show you, okay. The first one is about animal with husband, wife, and spouse. And the next one is five words that hyponymy with animals, such as buffalo, mice, cats, dogs, and horses. And six words that hyponym with the things, such as a pairs of slippers, a rack, a lot of rocks, grass, rice, and tags. So the next slide is person or people. There are 11 hyponymy about that, such as prince, human, majesty, princess, village, chief, courtiers, enemies, God Almighty, sleeper, prince, and husband, sleeper. So the next one is four words that hyponym with the time, such as in a long time, past, hour after hour, day and night. And second, two words that hyponym with places, such as kitchen and house. And this is the last one. Okay. Uh, Two words that hyponym with gender, such as man and woman. And one words that related with bodily parts, such as pose. Okay. The next slides. Okay. This is about the discussion. So, um, the data analysis above shows some of the findings that refer to the theory Wimmer 2010, which based on the theory shows that hyponymy is a part of the class's structure of meaning and the hierarchical form of the word itself. So, researcher found several words such as prince, human, majesty, princess, village, ship, courtiers, enemies, God Almighty, sleeper, prince, husband, sleeper that become part of the person or people's hyponym. Prince is the hyponym of person, since prince is the meaning of a son from a king and queen. It is not stopped until the person that has the hyponym as a object, since person has a hierarchical meaning with another person or people. Not only part of person or people, other types of hyponyms such as family, animals, things, and etc. have similarities in the systematic arrangement of the hierarchy in hyponym. According to Yule, in Alsemery and Alsemery in 2017, the theory for analyzing hierarchical arrangement is by naming superordinate. As stated in the result of the data about the words mice, cats, and dogs, which has the hyponym of the animals, animals are the top level of the hierarchy called superordinate. Mice are hyponyms of animals as well as cats and dogs, both of which are words that have the same superordinate as mice or are called co-hyponyms. Yule also gave the concept that hyponym is like the concept of is a kind of. This refer to when giving meaning to a dog is a kind of animal. So, as a conclusion, to summarize, in the narrative story with the title The Sleepers of Buffalo Skin in the Interlanguage Science and Social by Joko Priyana PhD, Triana Ratnoputri, and Sari Dewi Yulianti Rahayu in 2006, researchers discovered three hyponyms of the family, five hyponyms of animals, six hyponyms of things, 11 hyponyms of person or people, and four hyponyms of things, 11 hyponyms of a person or people, four hyponym of time, two hyponym of places, two hyponym of gender, and one hyponyms of bodily part. So that's all from me about semantics analysis about narrative text with the title The Sleepers of Buffalo Skin. So thank you for your attentions, and I hope you can understanding more about the hyponym that related with narrative text, and I hope this will help your studies learning. So that's all for me. Thank you. See you next time.